Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix media creation tool error code, that is 0x80072F8F 0x20000. So if you're receiving this error code on media creation tool, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So you have to enable TLS 1.0. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. First of all, you have to update your Windows, and the update is, I'll show you this update you have to, that is KB3140245. You have to install this update. Now for this, on this website you can click on Microsoft Update Catalog, and this will take you to this website. Now for Windows 7 users, you can download this KB3140245. You can download this, or if you have x64 based system, you can download this. So for Windows 7 users, you can download this, or for Windows 8 users, download this update for Windows Embedded 8 Standard KB3140245. For Windows 8 users, download this. Windows 7 users can download this. Now click on download, and then click on this hyperlink and let the download complete, and then run this file to update manually. Now once the update is done, restart your computer. Now after the system restart, you have to make changes in the registry. To make changes in the registry, go to this location. For in case of 32-bit operating system, you can go to this location. For 64-bit, you can go to this location. Now I'm showing for this. So open registry editor. So type in registry editor in Windows search box, or you can simply open a run box and then type in regedit, and then click on OK. Click on yes to allow. Once registry editor is open, expand HKey local machine. Now expand software. Now expand Microsoft, and now expand Windows. Scroll down and find Windows in the list. Expand Windows now. Now expand current version. Now expand internet settings. Scroll down and find internet settings over here. So over here you can see internet settings. Expand it. Now over here select WinHttp. So over here you will find WinHttp. So select it, click on it. Now on the right hand side, make a right click and then select new, and then click on dword 32-bit value. Now name this file as DefaultSecureProtocols. So name this entry as, make a right click, then click on rename and name it as DefaultSecureProtocols without any space, and then the value should be A001. I'm sorry. Make a double click and then change the value data as A00 and then click on OK. It will be looking like this. Now restart your computer. Now after the system restart, now you can use media creation tool, and you should not receive this error code anymore. Now for 64-bit, go to this location and do the same thing. So that should help you to get rid of this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.